Do you own a pool? Did I say that right? Do you own a pool service company in the Charlotte area? Have you been running Google Ads? Have you thought about running Google Ads? I'm going to do an overview of Google Ads for pool service business in Charlotte, North Carolina. I did it using a piece of software called PPC AdLabs. I ran this job for 3 days to pull up advertisers, and I think it's a little light. I think there's more advertisers than this, so I think just a little glitch in the system. But let's go over what we have. I ran this report using 4 very common keyword phrases, intent-based, for the pool service business. Pool maintenance near me, pool service near me, pool cleaners near me, pool care near me. You'll notice that I stayed away from pool repair. That's a different niche. Pool installation, pool building, different niches. So everything around on this is around service, that recurring retention-based type of business that pool service companies offer. So let's take a look at how competitive it is in the Charlotte area for pools. There's a lot of people on the maps. There's one person, according to this report, running local service ads and 5 advertisers. Now, I again believe there's more than that, but let's take a look. These folks, Carolina Pool King, they are the king of the advertisers right here. You can see by far. Then we've got some secondary players, and finally, the folks pulling up the rear here with just a little bit of ad spend or very small, budgets or very low cost per click set, not getting a lot of traffic. So what I usually do after I look at the general market, look at the competitors, is look at the ad copy, talk to you about the ad copy that stands out to me. And that means, is it relevant to the keywords that were typed in, that were used to trigger the ad? Is the ad copy interesting? And then take a look at a couple landing pages, see what that looks like. So let's take a look at some of our ad copy. Pool maintenance near me, pool cleaning services. I mean, straightforward and to the point, boring. Pool cleaning services, yeah, duplicative. I'm not liking it, aqueducts. Let's see if there's anything a little more interesting, anything that uses numbers. It's interesting. Pool service, pool, this is swimming pool repair. So either they're advertising broadly is a keyword they don't really want to advertise on, or they do want to advertise because some people, when they think service, think repair. Okay, these guys are specific, Lake Norman pool build. These are pool builders. Scheduling your budgeting call. Interesting. Again, not exactly on top. It may be that their campaign is not set up particularly well. Then we've got Pelican Pools and Design, pool service near you. All the ads are boring. If you want to stand out in the Charlotte area for pool service, write some interesting ad copy. Put some numbers in there. Put some offers in there. Put something interesting in your ad copy. You'll stand out. Let's look at this landing page. Okay, so Pelican Pools and Design. Now, this search was for pool service near me. This takes you right to a page that says connect with our design team. You're not looking for design if you're looking for service. Now, do they offer service? Maybe. But this is where it takes us. I'm not a big fan. I see this a lot. Big images. Designers love this stuff. It's not designed to convert. We've got no phone number, just a little phone up here. Contact us. But we should have a form. We should have, here's who we are. Here's what we do. Here's the areas we serve. Here's our features and benefits, and you should read it all right here. Now we'll scroll down, we'll probably see some stuff. This is all about pool building. So again, nothing here about service. So I'm going to give that a D. How do you feel about that? So let's look at aqueducts, pool cleaning services. Let's see where we go to. Spotless pools made simple in Fort Mill, South Carolina. Well, I like that. What we do, we make pools spotless. We make it simple. We're in Fort Mill, South Carolina. We've got a cute logo, a cute duck. Schedule cleaning, client portal login, no phone number. That bothers me. But at least this part, schedule cleaning, I mean, that's going to create a little bit of friction. It might be learn more, get you connected with people. Schedule cleaning, maybe they're not ready to schedule cleaning. Maybe they want to know a little bit about you first. So, but not the worst page I've ever seen. It's got FAQs. It's got a form. There's the form that should be at the top. It's got a phone number down here. But yeah, you need a phone number. You need a nice prominent phone number. You need a nice form. Got a little bit more content. Then you got a winner. Okay, so that is the overview for the pool service business, Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm Mark with Inbound Revenue. You need help with your Google Ads for any niche, or you need to just get found on the front page of Google. Talk to us about our triple pack that gets you found, LSAs, Google Ads, and in the map pack, LSAs where they're available, of course. Questions, comments, drop them in the comments below. I appreciate you. And remember, always be marketing.